Hello, marketers! Still managing your SEO data on spreadsheets? It's time to change that. Today we will learn how to manage on-page and off-page SEO metrics using Stackby and Ahrefs. Today we will be using Ahrefs API, which is a very popular all-in-one SEO tool, to connect to our workspace. First, we will connect to an API. Select Ahrefs API and integrate it. Now we will be needing the API key. Log in to the Ahrefs account. Go to More and click on Ahrefs API. For a paid Ahrefs account, go to the API profile. Copy the access token. Add the API key. Call it the Ahrefs API key. Go back to the dashboard after saving the API key. Here we already have an on-page and off-page SEO metric stack. Now if we want to bring backlinks and position information, all we need to do is bring in all the URLs of the websites that we want to track. Then we can connect to an API. Here we will connect to the Ahrefs API, get the API key, which is the Ahrefs API key that we added, get the metrics, which in this case is the backlink metrics, target column for reference, the column name, call it Backlinks API, apply. This brings in all the information of the URL. Click on the Data Explorer. This will give us total number of backlinks, total number of pages, no follow links, valid pages, do follow links, canonicals, number of internal links. Create these 7 columns. This will populate all these 7 columns and we can track it in real time by clicking on refresh. For the same URLs, if we can also track the keyword positions, for that we will be using the Position API. Connect to an API. Choose Ahrefs as the third-party service provider. Select the Ahrefs API key. Here we want to bring in the position. Call it the Position API. Select the targets column for reference, name column. Click Apply. This will bring in the position data of URLs. Click on the Data Explorer. This will give us the total positions, positions in top 3, positions in top 10, total traffic, and the cost for top 3 and top 10. Create these 6 columns. This is how we can bring in the position metrics as well. And we can track keyword SEO data and see how you're performing against your competitors. Once we have set up our backlinks and positions API, we will see how we can do an on-page SEO audit. First, we will get in the URLs that we want. We already have it connected to the SEO Audit API. Select the API key, which in this case is Ahrefs API key. Select the service. Get SEO Audit for your web page. Fill in the targets column, website. Click Apply. This will bring in the data. Click on Refresh to bring in the real-time data. This is how we can pull in all the required information, the word count, title, description, the H1 tags, the total internal links and external links, as well as their meta tags for social. So this is how we can track both backlinks and position information, as well as do an on-page SEO audit using Ahrefs in Stackby. Try it out for free and take your SEO workflows to the next level. Like, share, and subscribe to the Stackby channel for more use case videos.